Hello everyone. Now it's maths time. We had started chapter number 4, multiplication, and in last period we had learned about the table of 7 and some small sums of multiplication. Now we are going to learn table of 8, multiplying by 8. So we will do multiplying by 8. Similarly, when you learn the 8 times table, you learn only 2 new multiplication facts. Here are 2 examples. First one, that is, here are how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 groups are there, and in each group how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In each group also 8 balls are there. So it is written 8 for 8 times. 8 group of 8 are, and 8 multiplied by 8 is equals to 64. So all the 3 answers will be 64. Same way here, how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 groups are there, and in each group how many sticks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In each group 8 sticks are there. So here 8 is written 9 times because 9 groups are there, and each group 8 sticks are there. So 9 multiplied by 8, both the answer will be same. 8 nines are or 9 eights are 72. So like this we will write the table of 8 here. Build the 8 times table by counting the number of petals. यहाँ पर एक छोटा सा फ्लावर दिया है, तो उसकी पेटल्स कितनी है? पेटल्स यानी पंखुड़ियाँ, वो पेटल्स कितनी है? एक फ्लावर में 8 petals है. तो here it is written 1 multiplied by 8 is equals to 8. Same way if we are writing in table order, we will write 8 ones are 8. Here it is written, here is shown 2 flowers with 8 petals in each. 2 फ्लावर है और हर एक फ्लावर में 8 petals हैं. So here it is written 2 multiplied by 8 is equals to 16, and here we have to write 8 twos are 16. Like this 3 flowers are there, and 8 plus 8 plus 8. In each flower 8 petals are there. That is why 3 multiplied by 8 is equals to, see, if you don't know the table of 8 but you know the table of 3, you can write the answer here. 3 8s are 24. Like this here we will write 8 3s are 24. So like this you have to complete this table by yourself, counting this, and you can write here in both the columns. Now we will see, look for the pattern and fill in the blanks. Here it is written 1 multiplied by 8 is equals to 8. Into bracket it is written 10 minus 2. Both the answer will be same. Here is 8 and 10 minus 2 is equals to 8. 2 8s are 16. So here it is written 20 minus 4. The answer will be same, 16. 3 8s are 24. Here it is written 30 minus which number we will write? Here we will write 24. Here is given 24. Here is 30. So which number will come here? 30 minus 24. Then we will get the answer 6. Like this 4 8s are 32. So here what will we write? We have to write here 32 plus 8 means the answer will come 40. So here we will write 40. Okay. And 5 eights are, what is the answer? 5 eights are 40. Here what will we write? 50 minus 10. So answer will be 40. Like these, all these numbers also you can do by yourself. You have to do it and you can do it. Okay. Now we will go to the next page. See, here in the first question, one activity is given there. You have to take an ice tray, or you have to take 8 beans of राजमा सीड्स आपको लेके आइस ट्रे जो होती है उसमें एक एक बॉक्स में आपको 8 राजमा के दाने डालना है. तो उस तरह से भी आप 8 का टेबल कर सकते हैं. तो ये एक्टिविटी है वो आप अपने घर में कर सकते हैं. ओके. Then afterwards we will do the second question. Solve. Keep the rules of multiplication in mind. See, here it is written 8 multiplied by 8 minus 64. Then what will we do? We will first of all count 8 multiplied by 8 means 8 eights are, what is the answer? 8 eights are 64. 64 minus 64 is equals to 0. Same here it is given 1, 2, 3, 4 times 8 multiplied by 0. So what will be the answer? If we multiply any number with 0, the answer will be 0 only. Okay. Then these two also you can do by yourself. Try to do it by yourself. Complete. 8 spiders have dash legs. Here is the spider. One spider has how many legs? You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One spider has 8 legs. Like that. 8 spider has how many legs? What will we do? 8 multiplied by 8. So answer will be 64. You have to write here 64. Like this second also you have to do by yourself. Then fill in the blanks. Dash multiply by 4 is equals to 32. आप अगर आपको टेबल आते हैं तो भी आप अच्छे से ये कर सकते हैं कि कौन से टेबल में 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करने से 32 आता है. So here I am telling the answer is 8, but if you know the table you can do it very quickly. Same here, second one, 8 multiplied by dash is equals to 72. 8 के टेबल में 72 कहाँ आता है वो आपको याद होगा तो आप यहाँ पर immediately लिख सकते हो. And the last one, that also you have to do by yourself. Now fifth one, use the first fact to find the second product. 8 multiplied by 4 is equals to 32. 8 multiplied by 5 is equal to what? 8 5 का क्या होता है वो यहाँ पे लिखना है. Okay. Here it is given 8 multiplied by 4 is equals to 32. So 8 multiplied by 5 is equals to 32 plus 8 is equals to 40. मतलब अगर 8 4 आपको आता है 32 तो उसमें आप 8 ऐड कर दोगे तो आपको 8 multiplied by 5 का आंसर मिल जाएगा. So 8 5 40. Like this you have to do here also. 8 3 24. 8 4 what will you do? 24 plus 8. Whatever the answer is there you have to write it here. Same here you have to do it. Okay. Then multiply. These are the multiply sums that you have to do by yourself. You have to count it and you can do it very well. And you have to prepare tables for these type of sums only so you can do it quickly. And here 7th there are 8 bottles in a cartoon. How many bottles are there in 12 such cartoon? अगर 8 कार्टून में 8 बॉटल है तो 12 कार्टून में कितनी बॉटल्स है? For that what will we do? We will do 12 multiply by 8 and whatever the answer is that you have to do. You have to write the number like this. यहाँ पर जैसे लिखा हुआ है मल्टीप्लिकेशन सम उसी तरह आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है. यहाँ नीचे लिख दोगे तो भी चलेगा, ए करके यहीं पर लिख दोगे तो चलेगा कि 12 multiply by 8 is equals to whatever the answer is there you can write here. Then second one, there are 20 buttons in a bucket. How many buttons are there in 8 such packet? Sorry, packet, it's not bucket. So how many buttons are there in 8 packets? एक पैकेट में 20 buttons है तो 8 पैकेट में कितने हैं? तो for that also you can write here 20 multiply by 8 is equals to whatever the answer is there you can write here. Okay, so today you will do this practice and you will complete this exercise. And of course you have to write tables daily. Now you will write 1 to 8 without fail. You have to write the table in rough book only, and this maths homework you have to do in textbook. Okay, and I hope all of you understand all this and keep practicing. You can do it very well. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.